up here at Chick-fil-A. I had got me some waffle fries. I am about to go and pick the little girl up from school. So let me stop and get me some waffle fries. I had used the restaurant, and little mama was all on the door because they have like single. They got a single restaurant. Little mama had to go so bad. I was like, girl, let me dry my hands before you pull the dough off the hinges. Girl. I'm an older woman. My bladder can be weak. Girl, you like you all of about 8. But anyway. Let me come on here and talk to these people right quick. I said y'all had the girl feeling like Beyonce and having her own little beehive. Y'all all in the comments really Lil Mama the filth because she had invited herself to the party and didn't have an invitation. I'm like, bitch, who said you could come? I'm like, hey, your mama ever told you, if they didn't invite you to the party, that means that you wasn't invited. Stay your little ugly ass at home. See, this be the shit I be talking about. I'm like, I'm trying to be so nice. No. Motherfuckers don't want you to be nice. They want you to be, they want you to be cutthroat. You know what I'm saying? I'm not getting, but I can meet you there. I can meet you on the block. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm new to this. I ain't never been in a situation where the wife gets cheated on and the low count piece of shit of a husband get the side funky bitch pregnant and the wife being fault. Girl, clue me in. I missed that day in class, honey. I said, it's so sad. They thought they was gonna destroy me. Girl, y'all was plotting to destroy me. Hey, Christian, and say no weapon formed against me shall prosper. Will make my enemies my footstools. That been the story of my life. But answer, man. Ask your little recycled man. Here it is. I'm telling you right now, when you try to do me dirty, girl, Spirit God, I'm his favorite girl. He sent me down here to do good, and when you try to and try to put a cramp in my style. Baby, ain't nothing you gonna touch, do, whatever gonna flourish. Believe that. Next one. That thing over there that you and call yourself tried to pick up. He ain't never got no further than where he at, and he never will. And he was holding me back while he up there trying to act like somebody holding him back. Bitch, I gave you plenty of opportunities to stunt. And that's all you did was stunt your growth. Talking about some, she was cheating at 06 or 07. Bitch, I wish I was cheating. It made me feel a little bit better knowing that I was loyal as a motherfucker to this old worthless ass piece of shit. And the fuck he get with the likes of your ass. Girl, I wish I was out there pussy popping and sucking dick and giving niggas a good goddamn time. I wish the fuck I was. Now, I hate to say it like that, but the truth is the truth. Now, I don't know no other way to say it than the fuck the way I say it. He'll sit there and feed you a bunch of lies, and your little pea-brain ass is believing all of it. Bitch, you should have left me the fuck alone. Cause I'm like this right here, I'm not gonna let him bounce your ass. I'm not gonna let him bounce your ass now. Cause you opened up a can of motherfucking worms. And the jar can't be sealed again. You should have kept your motherfucking mouth shut and played your position as a side bitch. I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about that baby. I don't give a fuck about him. Cause the fuck y'all wasn't giving a fuck about my household, my feelings, my kids' feelings. The fucking feeling is fucking mutual. I don't give a fuck about you as much as you gave a fuck about my marriage and my children and fucking up my household. How about that? Like your motherfucking child supposed to get some wait a minute now, wait a minute. You gonna have to, bitch, I'm gonna have to do a motherfucking thing. How about that? You met your match when you met me, whore. Talking all this shit. Talking about when you were calling me. When you were calling me and you thought I was the other woman telling me about other women. Bitch, like a woman, I called your bitch ass. Trying to tell you because I thought that this bitch was talking to more than just your ugly ass. And I didn't give a fuck at that point because like I said, his motherfucking dick wasn't working no more. And I'm like this right here, I can get my own motherfucking coins, but that motherfucking dick gonna have to work. And that motherfucking tongue, goddamn it, that's what a toy for. If I want to get my pussy licked all day, every day. So, when I called your little funky, plucking, duck-looking ass, I was trying to give you a fucking heads up. But what the fuck you said? Why the fuck you knew the whole goddamn time? Back up at, what was that? Back up in May? Matter of fact, May 3rd, when I called you the same goddamn night, I called you the night that bitch jumped on me. And I tried to tell your ugly ass, or maybe it was the next night. Nah, it might have been that night. It was either that night or the next night. I called your little dumb ass and tried to tell your motherfucking ass. Mainly try to find who the fuck this is this number on my motherfucking phone log multiple motherfucking times. But you ain't fucking with no married man. Bitch, you got life so fucked up. You think a motherfucker stupid, bitch. I'm the smartest motherfucker you will ever know. Ever know. Talking about, you need to talk to your husband about that. That was the fucking words verbatim that came out your motherfucking mouth. Oh, okay, cool, fine. I ain't got shit to discuss with him, because I already know he a lying piece of shit that don't never tell the goddamn truth. While y'all sitting over there with the furniture that I motherfucking picked out and bought. Got my motherfucking kids' pictures with frames that I fucking purchased. And y'all raggedy ass probably roach infest the goddamn apartment while he try to act like, she can't do no better than me. She ain't gonna never get no better than me. Bitch, you lost your goddamn mind. I downgraded the one I got with your ass. I'm not 2 seconds up off your weak ass. While you constantly denying the fact that the fuck you jumped on me and choked me. Bitch, you's a silly bitch. You really is. Lying to the kids. Lying to every motherfucking man. Bitch, your lies, people see straight through your ass. They feel sorry for you. Cause the fuck you can't never tell the truth about a goddamn thing. I mean, sitting up here, he probably fucking you in the same bed he was licking my pussy in. And you just as happy as a motherfucking pumpkin boy son over there with your dumb ass. Cause the fuck you probably ain't never had a goddamn thing in your life. You think he the end all be on. With your low self-esteem man. Bitch, pick your self-esteem up off the ground, huh? That's what the fuck you mean to do. I know you been ugly all your life, and people been trying to build your ugly ass up. But get you some miles, okay? I don't want my motherfucking channel in the motherfucking comments. Bitch. Talking all that shit. How you got? Your ass is so confused and delusional. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna say what the fuck I gotta say. Cause like I said, after this motherfucking year, I don't want to talk about this dumbass shit no more. He's trying to keep this shit going. I know he probably missing the fuck out of what I had to offer. While he over there lying to you, no, I'm going to get rid of that bitch. Bitch, you was a bold-faced motherfucking liar. You a bold-faced motherfucking liar. And your ass was getting very intimidated and very insecure about the fact that your motherfucking dick could not stay hard. Oh my God. It's so funny how you could get with a motherfucker when you young and your shit was popping and you didn't know what the fuck to do with it. And then when your ass get grown and you get some experience behind you, and you know how to fuck right, you know how to suck right, you know how to do everything right, and then the motherfucking shit don't work no more. You ain't trying this freak up for the next motherfucker. How about that? How about that? I'm gonna take all them good skills that I learned and achieved over the years and go and apply that to a man that deserves it. How about that? While you up here speculating on what the fuck I'm doing with the next motherfucker, and you got a whole goddamn baby. Bitch, we ain't even married no more. Don't worry about who laying pipe to me and licking my pussy. Ain't none of your goddamn concern. You worry about that little dried up hoe that you got over there. This what the fuck you need to do. Okay. Let me get up out y'all ass. You know, roasting people be funny to me. But I really be like reserving myself. Because my motherfucking tongue is like a sword. It will cut your ass so deep if I really wanted to. But I don't need your little insecure ass on my hands. I don't need this shit. So I'm putting little kitty gloves on when I'm talking to your ass. I know you're like, damn. If that's kitty gloves, then what's the real deal? Bitch, you really don't want to know. Let's put it that way. You need to stay the fuck up off my page. You need to keep your creepy ass family members up off my motherfucking page. Trying to tell me what the fuck to say. Bitch, I'm a grown ass woman. I say what the fuck I want to say, okay? You should have thought about that when you was out there calibating with a married man, honey. You should have waited. If our shit was over like y'all claimed that it was, you shouldn't have waited. Cause the fuck I asked this little silly, simple ass, midget, short, bald-headed, elf ear ass nigga. I asked him plenty of motherfucking times, bitch. If I'm not with you out, we can go down and end this right now. You ain't going nowhere with his words. Knowing the whole motherfucking time that he out here trying to get his goddamn machismo back. Girl, bad. Girl, bad. He didn't want somebody to experience this pumping ass pussy. That's what the fuck that was. And he's still afraid. He's still afraid. Don't let it fool you. Up here acting like he just ain't never. I ain't want to do that. I did it for my kids, bitch. You was barely there for your kids. You was trying to work so you could be out there whoring around. That's what the fuck you were doing. I'm the one that was keeping up with their schoolwork, making sure they had their shit, trying to include your little bitch ass, and your ass would get so intimidated because you don't know, you don't have no goddamn educational background to where you can feel efficient enough to parent your goddamn kids and know what the fuck they talking about. I could get on your ass too. You ain't an exempt bitch. Child, it's like fucking therapy, huh? Girl. But anyway, I do apologize for the vulgar language that was used in the making of this here video. I know it's like, girl, your ass is a Gemini for real. You is crazy, girl. But anyway, I can't help myself. I'm real. I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not gonna be like, oh my God, I'm just gonna take the high road. I can take the high road, the middle road, the low road, the road less traveled, the side road, the goddamn hidden road. Girl, anyway, if I ain't your fucking cup of tea, exit stage left. If you like what the fuck that I have to say, go ahead and stay subscribed, get subscribed, get notified by hitting the notification bell. Like the video, share the video with a friend, cause sharing is caring. Because I'm willing to bet you it's another woman out there going through the same shit with some old nothing ass man and some old dumb ass side chick that is sit up here and tricked him into a baby, and now she thinks she hot shit. Then want to come up in your goddamn life on your goddamn platforms clowning, cause the fuck once you got him over there, he figured out, oh, this shit, this was a goddamn, somebody popped the lights on and he ain't seen what the fuck was really going on. Now she up here all in my motherfucking social media platform trying to figure out what the fuck I was doing to make the bitch be around for 21 motherfucking years. Who fucking asked me to marry him before he got me pregnant. But the fuck, I wasn't shit. He didn't want to be with me. Girl, bye. That bitch trapped me out of going to college. I was off at college. She was coming and picking me up on the motherfucking weekends. That's how the fuck I got pregnant. Cause I was trying to better my life. Cause he knew I was some hot shit. That's what the fuck it was. He knew I was hot shit. He knew I was worth having. So don't get it twisted. Don't think just because you was the army's fuck and you went down to Remington, bitch. I went to a Pivot Point cosmetology school, not some motherfucking little weak ass midnight commercial school. No offense to a motherfucker who went to Remington and got a motherfucking coding degree. They said, damn, bitch, you crazy. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, bitch, I can investigate, but what the fuck I ain't gonna do is comment on your shit, cause I don't give a fuck about you like that. Bitch, waste my fingers writing a comment to your motherfucking ass on your platform, never. Never in your life. But you need to tell him he needs to pay some attention to your motherfucking ass, because you is starving over there. You is really starving. But anyway, like I said, share this video with your friends. And be sure to tune in to my next video. Love all my buddies and subscribers. And another thing, y'all be careful with this old no count bitch. Because if you and she figure out or get wind of who you are, the bitch will look you up and her family and then try to call your place of employment and then try to say that, oh my God, she's talking about my daughter. Bitch, ain't nobody talking about your daughter, but I can. And she did that shit to my sister. My sister have a very prominent job, and the bitch had the fucking galls to call my sister's job with this bullshit just because somebody said something about We threw that trash out 6 months ago, which the fuck we did. Where we was talking about her motherfucking abomination of a baby. I don't know where the fuck she was picking that from. But bitch, y'all, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all coming to my defense, but do it with caution, cause this bitch is very pathetic, and she's willing to do some crazy, unnecessary shit to try to make herself relevant. But anyway, I love y'all. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.